Can you believe it? With just a few recycled detergent containers, I can grow lots of clean, big, and beautiful carrots right at home. It's simple, eco-friendly, and provides safe, healthy vegetables for my family. Hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more peaceful garden moments. To grow strong seedlings, I selected firm and healthy seeds for germination. Good seeds help the young plants sprout quickly, grow vigorously, and resist pests more effectively. I placed a layer of toilet paper at the bottom to help the seeds retain moisture. Then, I spread the seeds on top and covered them with a thin layer of soil to keep them protected. Finally, I gently sprayed water over the surface using a mist sprayer. This method keeps the soil evenly moist, helps the seeds germinate faster, and supports healthy seedling growth. I cut off the bottom of a 5-liter detergent container and used a hole punch tool to make holes around it. This improves air circulation and drainage, allowing the roots to grow freely and helping the plants stay healthy without waterlogging. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I tied both ends of the container with hanging ropes and hung it up high. This method saves space, keeps the area well ventilated, and allows the plants to receive more sunlight for better and healthier growth. I attached an electrical wire to the bottle cap, then cut off the bottom of the water bottle. This creates a natural drip irrigation system. Water slowly seeps through the wire into the soil, keeping it evenly moist without overwatering the plant. To make the soil better for planting seedlings, I mixed worm castings with the soil. This helps make the soil looser, richer in nutrients, and full of beneficial microbes, allowing the young plants to root quickly and grow strong and healthy. Now the seeds have sprouted and grown into healthy young seedlings. I'll transplant them into the containers that already have soil prepared, giving the plants enough space and nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. After planting, I added water into the bottle to keep the soil moist and help the roots establish and grow better. This allows the water to slowly seep down to the roots, providing steady moisture without overwatering. Now the plant has rooted and is growing well. To prevent it from competing for nutrients, I removed all the weeds around the plant. This helps the plant absorb all the nutrients it needs and grow faster and stronger. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. To prevent nutrient deficiency, I mixed fermented fresh milk with water and used it to water the plants. Fermented milk provides calcium, vitamins, and natural minerals, helping the plants grow strong, with greener leaves and better resistance to pests and diseases. I added more soil around the base to help the plant stand firm and grow stronger. This also helps retain moisture for the roots and provides extra nutrients for steady and healthy growth. I continued adding water into the bottle to maintain steady soil moisture, helping the plant grow evenly and stay healthy. This allows the water to slowly seep into the roots, providing enough hydration without overwatering. Fresh milk provides calcium, protein, and natural minerals that help plants grow stronger and healthier. It also boosts their resistance to pests and diseases, keeping the leaves greener, shinier, and more vibrant. So, I mixed fresh milk with water and used it to water the plants. This allows the plants to absorb natural nutrients from the milk like calcium, protein, and vitamins, promoting faster growth, greener leaves, and overall healthier development. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. It's amazing! Even with a small, limited space at home, using my hanging container planting method, I was able to harvest lots of big, shiny, and beautiful carrots right at home. Seeing these fresh, homegrown carrots that I grew with my own hands truly makes me happy and proud. If you find my planting method interesting, give it a try. I'm sure you'll be just as amazed by your own results as I was. It's simple, cost-effective, and produces an incredibly high yield. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.